After spending 2 wonderful nights in Varkala, it was time for the final stop of our Kerala road trip, Kovalam. The drive took around 2 hours and was easily one of the most scenic stretches of our journey. With the Arabian Sea on one side, peaceful backwaters on the other, and endless greenery all around. It was the perfect drive to end an unforgettable road trip. For the final leg of our trip, we checked into the hotel, the Leela Kovalam. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Arabian Sea, it's one of the India's iconic luxury resorts. And from the moment we arrived, it was easy to understand why. We stayed in a royal club room with uninterrupted ocean views. Waking up to the sounds of waves and seeing the sea right from our balcony quickly became our favorite part of the stay. The room was comfortable, thoughtfully designed, and had everything we needed for the next few days. Since we planned 4 nights relaxing in the hotel, it was time to return our Thar. It had been the perfect companion throughout our journey across Kerala, and saying goodbye to it felt surprisingly emotional. Unlike the rest of our trip, the remaining days were not about sightseeing. It was about slowing down, relaxing, and enjoying what property had to offer. We spent our afternoons by the beach and the pool, wandered around beautifully maintained grounds, and watched the changing colors of the ocean throughout the day. Every corner of the resort seemed to open up to another incredible view. The food was another highlight of our stay. The resort has 5 restaurants and cafe along with 2 bars, so every place offers a different experience. Since we were staying in a club room, we spent most of our time dining at the cafe, which is exclusively for club guests. We had our breakfast, afternoon high tea, and dinner here almost every day. The food was excellent, the service was incredibly attentive, and the peaceful sea views made every meal feel special. We also had breakfast once at the terrace, and if you are someone who loves a big buffet, you'll definitely enjoy it. It has a much larger spread with plenty of local and international options, and it's also open for lunch and dinner buffets. It's nice and crispy. Although we didn't get a chance to dine at the Tides, it's beautifully located right by the beach and is known for its Pan Asian cuisine and fresh seafood. We spent a lot of time relaxing on the beach, and it was always nice to have drinks served right there while enjoying the ocean. For sunset, the Sky Bar was one of our favorite places. Live music, the sound of the waves, great drinks, and panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. It was a perfect place to unwind in the evening. We probably spent the most time at Jazz and Blues. The classy ambience, beautiful views, great cocktails, and happy hour made it our go to spot almost every day. It has a really relaxed yet elegant vibe that we absolutely loved. We didn't get to try the bistro, but if you're looking for a quick coffee, fresh pastries, sandwiches, or something sweet, it looks like the perfect place to stop by between exploring the resort. One evening we experienced the Travancore Thali, which was one of the best food experience of our trip.
Smells amazing.
Smells amazing. आपका क्या क्या आइटम बने
राइस पटाटंजलि पकौड़ा ये लॉन्ग बीन्स का एक कोई बार में तुम्हारा आपके इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है इसमें एक प्रॉन्स का करी है टेंगापॉल को प्रॉन्स करी बोलते हैं 3 मिनट के पायसन भी आपको आएगा
ओके
As the days went by, our routine became wonderfully simple. Morning walks, time by the beach, high tea, cocktails overlooking the ocean, and long, relaxed dinners. Sometimes the best part of traveling isn't doing more, it's finally having the time to do less. Before we knew it, our final morning had arrived. We packed our bags and left for the airport.
Thank you.
As we drove away, it felt like the perfect ending to an incredible journey. From the historic streets of Kochi and the peaceful backwaters of Kumarakom to the cliffs of Varkala and luxury of Kovalam, every destination had offered something completely different. Kerala gave us exactly what we were looking for: beautiful landscapes, unforgettable food, warm hospitality, and memories that we'll always cherish. Until next time, love Kerala.